huge popsicles on the wall. A world of pink. Inside the Museum of Ice Cream, it seems everything around you is just as sweet as can be. A carousel, a slide, and claw machines. The show gives visitors multiple immersive experiences, turning the venue into an indoor carnival. And of course, no visit is complete without photos.
I like to take photos and post them on my social media accounts. I was at home for a long time during the COVID outbreak, so I just want to take some nice photos outside. It's pink and larger than I expected.
The name of the show gives me a cool feeling, and it has given us many pleasant experiences. For example, the swimming pool here is combined with the fresh and sweet feelings. I like it very much.
The Museum of Ice Cream comes from New York and has delighted 5 cities globally. Shanghai is the museum's first China stop. Shanghai's worst COVID outbreak suspended many entertainments over the past month, but with the recovery, postponed pop-up shows are back. Also at the commercial plaza Taikoo Li Qiantan, there's a free exhibition showcasing 240 collectors' bags. The mega shopping mall hopes having 2 shows running simultaneously can energize Shanghai consumers.
We believe that nowadays consumers, they come to shopping mall not only to shop, but they really want to enjoy something exciting. I think Shanghai is long waiting for some happy moments. So bringing into pop-ups, we really want them to come over, apart from shopping, to enjoy and to live well.
Crowds and energy are expected back in town. Just over the weekend, Shanghai announced it will hold its postponed Double 5 shopping festival in August and September. All types of commercial activities will be taking place across the city.